going, so.
Alright, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do the woman. Michelle.
Alright. No! Wait,
Stop.
just stop. Really. God, it has to have the rest of the letters. The camera has to hear. Oh, it's right next to the speaker.
Alright.
Okay, go.
Meeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeee
Cute. It's so... I got it. Do it really fast. What kind of a monster came up with this? Wait. Cute. Oh, brother. Hold on. It's your mic. Oh,
Stop.
Jesus Christ. Let me type in something.
Oh my god.
Oh, God. Don't. Okay, let me think.
Oh my god.
But you have to put more U's. Oh, okay. Go back. Do it.
Wait.
Do it slow and slow.
No! No! Damn it! Oh, God, fuck. Sorry.
Okay, just type it. Just go here.
Okay, come on. Okay.
Slow preview.
Q, it's losing control. Go to Michelle. She knows what she's talking about, okay?
It's not a word.
Suck. Q, there's too many friggin' U's.
Okay.
Just get that out of here. Oh, brother.
I'm just gonna put. No, you can only put one C and K,
Oh, okay.
so it makes the word. Oh.
Whoops. Sorry about that, Michael. Caca. I mean. Go.
No.
Dude, what is it? Just stop. Michelle
I'm just gonna
knows-
write it normal.
Okay, do it. right.
Yep.
Wait, no.
Get the one out of
what
there.
My God, one. Hold on.
Slow preview.
Suck my cock, bitch.
You should call someone and do
Oh
that.
my God. Oh my. Let's do it. I'm doing it on the video.
No, it's gonna be too long.
No.
We'll do a part 2.
It's only 3 minutes. I can definitely hurry up. Hold on. I can do this really fast.
No, mute. We don't have time. Trust me.
What? No.
We're gonna have to have a part 2. Trust me.
No. Q. It'll be like 6 minutes. Trust me.
We can't upload it.
What are you talking about? Fine. Yes, you can. We have like 6-minute long videos.
We have 5-minute and something videos.
Oh, fine. Well, then I'm just gonna have to
Do it.
continue this. Do what?
Just say we'll have a part 2.
Fine. Part 2.